Microsoft Office is a widely used suite of productivity applications that includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and more. It is known for its robust features and integration capabilities that enhance productivity and collaboration in both individual and business settings. Word is a powerful word processor with advanced formatting and editing tools, allowing users to create professional quality documents with ease. Excel offers comprehensive data analysis and visualization capabilities through its extensive range of functions and charts, making it an essential tool for tasks ranging from simple data entry to complex financial modeling. PowerPoint is a versatile presentation software that enables the creation of engaging slideshows with multimedia elements perfect for both business and educational purposes. Outlook provides efficient email and calendar management, making it an essential tool for communication and organization. Microsoft Office also includes collaborative features such as real-time co-authoring, cloud storage integration with OneDrive, and seamless connectivity with other Microsoft services. This integration allows users to work together on documents, spreadsheets, and presentations in real time, regardless of their location. Additionally, Microsoft Office offers a range of templates and themes that help users get started quickly and ensure their documents have a professional look. The suite is regularly updated with new features and improvements, ensuring that it remains a leading choice for productivity and Office applications. Its widespread adoption and continuous updates ensure that Microsoft Office remains a leading choice for productivity and Office applications, catering to the diverse needs of users across various industries. Overall, Microsoft Office provides a comprehensive and reliable set of tools that help individuals and businesses increase productivity, streamline workflows, and enhance collaboration.